Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. This Krishna consciousness movement is all-embracing. It can solve all the problems of the world, political, social, economical, religious, everything. It is all-embracing. So my request is that I am working now with my American disciples, European disciples. Why not Indians? I think in this meeting there are many young men, educated, learned scholars. Join this movement, and according to the order of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Bharat Bhumite Manusya Janma Hairaja Janma Sarthak Kari Karo Paropakar. This is the time to do welfare activities for the whole world. They are merged into confusion everywhere. You know that in the Western countries, the hippie movement, what are the hippies? They are also educated, coming from very rich family also, but they do not like the ways of environment as their fathers and grandfathers like. They are rejected. But this is the golden opportunity to preach the Krishna cult all over the world. You are lamenting because a few years of land has been taken away from your country as Pakistan. But if you spread this Krishna consciousness movement, the whole world will become Hindustan. There is such potential, I give you. My direct perception. People are hankering after. So long I am in India, practically I am wasting my time. Outside India, this reception is taken so seriously that every part of my moment is properly utilized. So I have come to this university with the hope that some of you become really Brahmana. The Sanskrit department is meant for Brahmana. Patan, Patan, Jajana, Jajana, Dana, Pujita. The Brahmana is called Pandit. Why? Because the Brahmana must be learned. Brahmana is not called a fool. So, this department, Sanskrit department, is meant for the Brahmanas. So, I wish that some of you must join this movement, go to the foreign countries, preach the sublime cult of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prithivite Achirato Navaradhika. There is great need. We have, of course, established so many temples, but still we require to establish temples, Radha Krishna temple, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's temple, in every village, every town of the world. Now, from each and every of our centers, we are sending devotees in buses. They are going interior into the villages of Europe and America. And they are very much well received. England especially, they are going village to village. They are very much well received. This cult is so nice. Even Christian priests, they are surprised. They are surprised. One of the priests in Boston, he issued pamphlet that these boys, they are our boys, from Christian and Jews. Before this movement, they did not care to come to the churches even. Now they are mad after God. They are admitting the Christian priestly class, they are not against us. Those who are sinner class, they are admitting that Swamiji is giving something tangible. their fathers and forefathers come to me. They bow down, they say, Swamiji, it is a great fortune for us that you have come to our country. So I am alone working, and the movement is being appreciated. And if persons, scholars from this university come forward and teaches this movement, it is meant for that. Brahmana's business is there, preaching. Brahma Jnanati. One must know Brahma and distribute the knowledge of Brahma Jnana. That is the business of Brahman. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna